do you like about it?
What do I like about what?
Poole Knobs Campground.
Poole Knobs Campground.
Being in the woods. Easy.
I like being in the woods, and I like being right by the lake.
Yeah.
The view was spectacular. I could lay down with my head on my pillow on my bed and look out and see the beautiful water and the woods. The sites are big, and they're pretty much, they're all level basically. I think maybe a couple of them you need a little adjustment on the tires, but otherwise I think they were pretty good. And
nothing we couldn't handle.
it was still out in the, away from town or anything, so that was, I love that, but you were still close enough if you needed to go in, to get groceries or whatever. There's always something close by.
And lunch was fabulous.
Yeah, there's a great luncheon place that we meet Donna Sparks, who was my junior high school Spanish teacher in 7th, 8th, and 9th grade. And she has since is my prayer partner and my friend, and she's been a huge help to us. Do like that campground quite a bit. It's one we'll continue to return to. They don't have full hookup, but they do have electric and water and a dump station. So we stay 3 nights if we don't have full hookup, because then we don't have to worry about anything. And after that, we're usually ready to go anyway. So it all works out. Okay, on to our next destination, Kentucky. Here we come.
Mm-hmm.